So guys, I can't lie, it does kind of feel like Christmas today because Santa Tim has given us a ton of goodies to check out. Obviously, I just unboxed the SE3. This is surprisingly decent. But now let's move on to the next unboxing, which is of course the new iPad Air 5. So pretty massive box that's hopefully in frame, but here we have the M1 iPad Air in the new blue color that looks amazing online, and I'm pretty excited to see it in person. Now, of course, the box is pretty standard. It looks like every other iPad box from the last 5 years, and so let's cut the waffle and let's delve in. Now, interestingly, we do still have the plastic film around the box. Now, that's interesting because the iPhones have the pull tabs now that Apple said was better for the environment. And so why not bring that to the iPads? I'm not sure, but anyways, let's delve into the unboxing. Hopefully this is in frame, but yeah, let's pull. Oh, very nice. Okay, so let's rip this off. Sorry, I nearly knocked over the camera, but anyways. Put that to the side. And boom, we have the iPad Air 5. So let's just delve into this box. Ooh. Gotta shake, 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 shake. Oh my god. Okay, finally. Here we have the iPad Air 5. I'm pretty hyped for this actually. The blue looks amazing online. I'm hoping it looks great in person. Let's flip it over. Ooh. Ooh! Yes! Yes! That blue is incredible. Oh my god, this is perfect. Okay, I'm sorry if it's off camera. Can you guys see that? I'm hoping you can, but this color looks incredible. This is the perfect shade of blue. I am so in love right now. This is such a good color. This is incredible. This is perfect. Apple, you have nailed it. And also one thing to note, guys, you can see the iPad Air brandings on the back. Usually it says iPads. That's pretty interesting, but guys, that blue, honestly, that blue looks so good. Wow. Wow. That's a fantastic blue. But anyways, let's get to the rest of the box. So we have the pamphlets that nobody cares about. We have a charger, which is surprising, which I believe is a 20-watt charger. I'm going to leave that in the box though because I don't plan to use it yet. And of course we have USB-C charging. That's pretty great. So let's put the box away and get to the iPad. Guys, by the way, I have just been floored by this color. It looks incredible, and I'm hoping that all of this is in frame because you guys need to see how good this color is. Let me put the box away and then we'll get to the iPad. So I'm back, guys. Hopefully everything's in frame, but yes, this color, it honestly is perfection. And maybe you guys think I'm exaggerating, but my favorite color is blue, and so this is honestly my dream iPad. Like, it's such a good color. But anyways, let's get to the front of the device. Let's power this on and see how things are. So yeah. Okay, so this is just booting up and I was just feeling this iPad, and I know that sounds really dodgy, but I do want to say the iPad's creaking from the back, which is odd. It's around the logo, it's like, it's creaking ever so slightly, which is odd. Anyways, back to the device. That is kind of disappointing, I can't lie, because the blue is perfect, but unfortunately it seems like my device might have some creaking issues. But anyways, getting to the actual device, let's quickly set this up. I'll be back. So as this is activating, I do want to say the bezels on this are very chunky. They're surprisingly chunky. So I'm coming from the 10.5-inch iPad Pro, and those have pretty thin side bezels. And so the fact these are like extra chunk is very surprising. Although I guess it makes sense because as you can see right now, my thumbs are resting on the bezels. So they're thick for a reason, but they do look a little odd in my opinion. Okay, so let's set up Touch ID. I've never had this on the side, so let's see how fast this process is. And yeah, I mean, it's doing the job pretty fast. Now, I do want to say there is no haptic feedback with this, which is a little weird because I just came from the iPhone SE and that has, you know, really good haptic feedback with the home button. And so yes, it's a little odd we don't have that with the iPad Air, but anyways, let's continue with this setup. If it's going to let me capture all the fingerprints. Okay. And we are done. Nice. Okay, let me do this off camera. Welcome to iPad. And there we go. Oh my god, I forgot how bad iPadOS 15 was. I hate it so much. It's actually why I've kept my iPad Pro with iPadOS 14, because I just hate this. But anyways, let me deal with that myself. Now, in terms of other things I can check out in this brief first impression video, I think we should see the cameras, because obviously we have center stage. So let me try and use that. Obviously I don't have a case here, but maybe it's gonna work. Oh wait, I forgot. It doesn't work through the camera app, it works through FaceTime. So yeah, there we go. So is it gonna follow me? Oh, it's already zooming in. Can you guys see that? Oh, there you go, bring it here. Can you guys see that? Hopefully. Let me move like that. Oh, it's already working. Oh, 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 yeah, it's doing a pretty decent job. I mean, I don't have a case on it right now, and it's still tracking me. So well done, center stage. Works pretty great on this iPad. Anyways, that is that. I mean, there's not much for me to check out. That creaking does bother me, I can't lie. I'm probably going to try and get this exchanged, because I do want to keep this. I do like the finish. It looks incredible. So this will be replacing my 10.5-inch iPad Pro, but that creaking is kind of annoying. But guys, tell me in the comments below, what do you want me to cover about this iPad? I should be comparing it to the Air 4 and the 11-inch iPad Pro relatively soon, so do make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours. And with that being said, guys, see ya peeps.